let's make a 2 double crochet cluster stitch. I have made a few regular double crochet, just single individual double crochet along here that you can see. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use the double crochet stitch and make 2 of them incomplete together, and then we close them off and they become 1 stitch. So here's how we do it. We begin like a regular, first I'll make a regular double crochet. So this is what it looks like. Yarn over, pull up a loop. I'll do one more. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2 once and pull through 2 twice. That's why it's called a double crochet. We're crocheting twice. Now to make the cluster, we start a double crochet in the indicated spot. So check your pattern about where it's supposed to go. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 and stop. Notice I'm not finishing. Now we're going to yarn over again, go back into the same position, pull up another loop, yarn over and pull through 2 again and stop again. So now I have 2 incomplete double crochet on my hook with 3 loops, and you can see them very clearly. There's 1 there and 1 there. That's 2. Then you do a yarn over and you pull through all the loops on your hook in one hit and close off that cluster. So you can see that there are 2 elements in that stitch, 2 incomplete double crochet closed off together to make a 2 double crochet cluster. Now you may sometimes find this stitch referred to in patterns as a double crochet 2 together. That's a different stitch. It's often confused by crocheters and designers alike. A double crochet 2 together is something completely different. There will be a different tutorial for that. It is a decrease stitch. This is a cluster because it's all bunched together into the one spot. Okay, there you go, 2 double crochet cluster. Let's do one more. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 and stop. Don't finish. Yarn over, pull up another loop, yarn over, pull through 2 and stop. There it is. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook, and there you have another 2 double crochet cluster. Much thicker, bulkier stitch. One more. Up a loop, pull through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, 3 loops on the hook, pull through all and stop. And this can be used in many ways. I'll do a chain 1, I'll skip a stitch, and you can see the stitches laid out much more openly, so you can see them more clearly. There's one. Do another chain, skip a stitch and go over here and do another one. There. Have fun.